Are you publishing? He said that one, India. I was a little bit surprised. I said, this is a much later book. Which his answer was, but this is more, it's more for an international audience, in his view. Huh? It is more for an international audience, this is more for a domestic audience. So I want to do this one. Now my answer was, I wrote this in 2020. I actually wrote it in 2019. Then I became a minister. Then I said I can't write many things now as a minister. So I sat one more year, revised the book and published it in 2020. I said book is 5 years old. Why, if you publish it now, people will say, so many things have happened in 5 years, ये तो out of date है. अब जब 2020 में at that time, for example, Mr. Trump was president, now he's president again, but in between he was not. Our relations with China was very different. That has changed. Ukraine war had just, was not on the horizon. उस समय COVID was the big issue. So बात करते करते, he gave me, the conversation gave me an idea. There is I don't know how many people would be familiar, ये बहुत पुरानी किताब है, very famous book called Three Musketeers. Three Musketeers was written 180 years ago. Okay. Now, in Three Musketeers, ये चार लोग होते हैं, they are very close friends. There is a sequel. Sequel is called 20 years after, 20 साल बाद. वही चार लोग अब फिर से मिलते हैं. But now the relationship has changed. People are the same. Each one has evolved. The situation ये फ्रांस की इतिहास है तो at that time उनकी पॉलिटिक्स बदल गई है, राजा बदल गए हैं, माने दुनिया की स्थिति बदल गई है. But you are looking at the friendship after 20 years. So he gave me this idea that you write a foreword called 5 years after. So that is what right now I'm trying to do. So I'm busy reading 20 years after because I've not read it for 50 years.
So we can expect a book in a new format, upgraded version, or with a new
You'll probably
forward?
get a book sometime next year with a new forward, or a new updated.
To be very precise, sir, youth wants to know what goes in your head, like what kind of books you read, and when you pick them up, what is that one particular book or two books that has really defined your personality, change your leadership style, give you new dimensions, or create some long-lasting impact on you?
I wouldn't say it is a book. I'll tell you what is it, because sometimes I myself thought, why did I pick up this book and not that book? And the common feature, because even your question, when I told you I'm reading 3 or 4 books, my interest most of the time is less about, good and bad and right and wrong, or, it is mostly about decisions, choices. In the given situation, what choice did people make? Because afterwards, you can say, nahi, wo nahi karna tha, this would have been better. But at that time, you don't know that. So in that specific situation, what you know, because why I say this is, most of the time, in my own life, in my own job, we don't get 100% information. You're lucky if you get 50, 60, 70%. But at 50%, 70% information, you have to make a decision. Because sometimes the pressure is high. How do you make that decision? So any account, for example, I like reading people's biography. Because what happens in biography, normally बड़े लोगों की biography लिखी जाती है, तो उन्होंने कुछ तो किया होगा जिंदगी में, तो कुछ किया है तो कुछ निर्णय लिए होंगे, तो कुछ निर्णय लिए होंगे तो कुछ विकल्प होगा उस समय, तो उन्होंने ये नहीं लिया वो लिया, क्यों लिया? Now it's a very interesting thing. Now you can be a big leader, you can be a military strategist. I like, for example, I look at sports people.